I made a mistake and it is currently affecting me on this challenge. Today is actually day 19 of the challenge, and yesterday, which was day 18, I have not uploaded any video. Today too, I was supposed to learn and upload that particular video, but here I am posting a different video, which is not the lesson that I took. Listen, we are all human beings, and this is the reality of things. The mistake I made was that in planning out this challenge, I've not made room for break or to take a day off, let's say Saturday or Sunday, take it off as a free day to relax or to go through some other things. I have not made provision for that. And right now, here I am, it is affecting me. So I'm hoping that somebody can also learn from this when planning out a challenge. Maybe you can make room for some days off. Now, this is how it is affecting me, okay? For the past 2 days, I've not been active on the chat because I got busy with some other stuff, all right? So if I were to make provision for break or for days that I can take off, I could have used those days to catch up. But here is the case, I have not made provision for those days. The planning that I did is for every blessed day. And now I'm not able to do that. So right now, I need to think twice. I need to diverse a strategy that can help me to catch up, regardless of the days that I've skipped, okay? Regardless of the days I've skipped, I have to find a way to catch up. And this is going to mount pressure on me, but I have to do this. I have to do this. Yes, I just have to do this. I have to find a way to do this. If not, it's going to affect me in a long run. You see, it's just 120 days. And if I couldn't do this at the end of the 120 days, if I'm not able to become the profitable forex trader that I want to become, then that means it's like the challenge, like, I don't even know how to put it. It will be like the whole thing failed. But honestly, I don't want this to flop. I don't want it to flop. So I'm going to do whatever possible that I can do to make this thing work out. I'm going to do that, right? I'm going to find my ways around this, okay? The last time I actually tried to cheat nature, I was very, very tired. But I feel like I have to learn because it will be like I'm skipping too many days. So I tried, I opened my PC, started going through the lesson. At the end of the day, do you know what happened? The lesson ended up learning me instead of me learning the lesson. Anyway, if you didn't get it yet, I mean, I slept off and the lesson, which was a video, it was just playing over it. I slept off because I was tired. I was tired, but I feel like learning at that time. So I just ended up sleeping whilst the video was playing. I slept off. But anyway, that is it. I think I'll have to find a way to catch up with these days that I've missed out. I have to find a way to catch up with it. Because, guys, as you can already tell, if I'm not able to do this, like, I just have to make sure this thing work. Regardless, I have to make sure this thing work. I'll see you in the next video. Just keep in touch and let's see how everything is going to unfold within these 120 days. Subscribe to this channel and be with me, right? Peace.